Hi, my name is Diego Muñoz. I am 39 years old. I'm from Cali, Colombia, but I live in Palmira. Um, I am married. I am currently studying a business administration program. I work at the airport as a ground attendant. In my free time, I like to watch TV programs, especially sports programs. I have two children, Angeli and Isabella, and they are my treasure. I will make six sentences using comparative adjectives with two objects from a house. The phone 1 is bigger than phone 2. The phone 1 is faster than phone 2. The phone 1 as black as phone 2. The bottle 1 is smaller than bottle 2. The bottle 2 is tastier than bottle 1. The bottle 2 is more expensive than bottle 1. Thank you.